Let me share the screen. Today we will start about, I think I have already covered the 3-tier architecture. Okay. All of you able to view my screen? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam. Okay. So I just wanted to say a thing that if you find that there is a delay in class, I don't start the class in time, someone please give me a reminder in WhatsApp group. Please write that, madam, you have not started the class. We are waiting. Okay. And thank you,
Okay,
CR.
ma'am.
Thank you, CR, for calling me.
Ma'am.
He calls me once earlier also, but I was not able to pick up his call. I was of the idea that class will start from 12. That is why I didn't pay attention. Anyway, does anyone of you want to ask anything which I have taught in last class?
Enter the records in tables.
Please repeat. I'm not able to listen what you have. You are not properly audible. Please repeat what you have said. Please repeat.
Enter records in tables.
Records in table. What you?
ম্যাম
What?
ওটা প্র্যাকটিক্যাল ক্লাসে করিয়েছিলাম, থিওরি ক্লাসে আমি ঠিক বলতে।
I am taking theory class today. This is not your practical class.
Ma'am, keys forward, keys in DBMS.
Keys in DBMS, wait. But I think before starting the keys, all of you should learn about ER diagrams, since it is the designing part. Unless and until you okay. So last time we just remember primary key as of now. That primary key is something which is used to identify one record from another record. In case of citizen of India, it can be PAN number. In case of student, it can be roll number, like that. Now, today, before going into the keys, we will learn about ER diagram. What is an ER diagram and what are the basic symbols of ER diagram? Does anyone have any idea what ER diagram describes?
Ma'am,
What?
entity relationship diagram, ma'am.
That is the full form. What it
Ma'am,
describes?
the relationship between the entities is described through the diagram, ma'am.
That is again, you are saying by taking the help of ER, there must be entity, there must be relationship between them, isn't it?
Ma'am, pictorial representation of the diagram.
Which diagram? Which diagram? Pictorial. ER diagram is pictorial representation of entity and relationship. This is not the proper answer. Proper answer is ER model describes the.
It describes the structure of the database.
Yes. It describes the structure of database, and with the help of diagram that you can refer, with the help of a diagram that you can refer as ER diagram. Okay, this is the proper definition of ER diagram.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, an ER model, we can say that it is a design or blueprint of a database that can later be implemented as a database. Blueprint of the database that gives the design and idea I don't know how many of you have gone to any construction site or have seen that whenever a house is prepared, whenever a flat is under construction, the civil engineers give a prototype that how what will be the design of the flat or the house, the number of rooms, where will be toilets placed, where the kitchen will be placed. Have you seen that? Any one of you? Whenever
Yes, ma'am.
yes, that is the diagram which the user gives, or the user understands, the customer understand how his home or flat will look before it is being prepared, because he is not able to view how his house will look like. So he must be aware, since he is paying a lot of money which cannot be refunded once the house is built, once he has paid civil engineer. So what he does, he prepares the diagram of the house, and that is given to the customer, and by looking at the diagram the customer understands how his house will going to look like. So similarly, in case of software, the ER diagram, it describes the structure of the database. Of course, ER diagram is not given to the end user, because end user is not going to understand the what is entity, what is relationship, is not aware of that. This is used at developers end. But suppose if in a project there are 5 persons who are developing a project, and say after 6 months 2 or 3 of the teammates left, then the person who will join new to the team, he is able to understand by looking into the blueprint that what is the database, what are the different type of keys, what are the different types of tables involved, what is the relationship between table, that he will understand by looking into the ER diagram. So that is the purpose of the ER diagram. Now, if we talk about ER diagram, there are certain symbols. What are the symbols of ER diagram? Does anyone of you aware?
The rectangle symbol,
What is this symbol?
rectangle symbol for the strong entity, and
Wait,
the
wait,
rectangle are between.
wait. We first come to basic things, only then strong and others. What is this symbol?
Ma'am, what's it? What is an entity?
Yes, good question. What is an entity? Anyone? What is an entity? Any definitions? Let me give you the definitions. Entity is a group of
Ma'am, real world objects that is not recognizable, like person, place,
not
event.
not recognizable. You cannot recognize a person. You cannot.
Yes, ma'am.
Can't you you say that it,
Yes, ma'am. We can recognize a person.
then give the proper definition of entity. Okay, you can.
Ma'am, maybe recognizable and not recognizable, both.
It is very confusing. Your definition is quite confusing. Those from computer science background, they can attempt what is an entity. Anyone have any idea regarding entity definition of it? No one of you have idea.
Ma'am, entity is an object which has a certain characteristics.
Like everybody is having
Like for example, there is a person. He may be a student. So a student have roll number, his name.
when you
That
are
is
giving
a
when you
attribute.
are when you are giving a definition, you should not use example. First give the definition, only then start giving example. As of
Um,
when we refer to the books, we found entity, mute yourself please. Entity is a thing, person. Everyone please stay muted unless and until you are asked to unmute yourself. Entity is a thing, person, place, unit, object, or any item about which, listen carefully, object or any item about which the data should be captured and stored in the form of properties, workflow, and tables. So what is workflow? While workflow and tables are up, workflow means that whenever you are in a system, say if you are talking about college admission system, then how you are going to map the entity, how the mapped entity works, that is the that is the flow. That means whenever you are entering, whenever you entered this college, you first visited admission cell. At that time you were just a outsider, but as soon as you paid the fees, you become the student. So student is considered an entity, and the student entity is having certain attributes or features. What are those attributes? Student is having the attribute as student will have name, student will have roll number, student will have phone number, address, etc. So these are called the attributes of entity. Like you are an entity, all of you are student is considered an entity. So entity can be a thing, person, place, unit, object, or any items. Is it clear? So we can say that someone was saying that entity is distinguishable and non-distinguishable. It is not that. Remember that entity is a entity is a distinguishable real world object that exists. Okay, so this is the concept of entity. It is a distinguishable real world object that exists. Similarly, if we talk about the attribute, attributes can be defined as the features. So we can say that an attribute describes the, let me write, an attribute describes the elementary feature of an entity. Is it clear? An attribute describes the elementary feature of the entity. So this is the definition of an attribute. Like if we talk of student, what are the definitions? Student is having name, roll number, address, phone number, each and everything. So these are the attributes of any entity. Is it clear to you all, or should I explain you something more? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so those from
Yes, ma'am, understood.
okay, understood. Now I have drawn one shape, this one. What is this known as?
An ellipse.
Computer science students, please tell me.
Attribute.
Attribute. Is it so? It describes the attribute. Attribute means, suppose if I write, I can write roll number. Wait, it is not this. Yes. So this is one of the attribute. Then again, suppose I want to draw, I can write name. Name. This is again an attribute. Now, this. We will connect with this like this. With the arrow will don't have any points. It will be connected like this. That means here we are talking about the Here we are talking about the student entity, and student entity has here only two attributes as shown, name and roll number. Similarly, you can show other attributes also, like a phone number can be there. Wait, let me draw one or two. Is it clear to you all? Those who are new, please respond. So that
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. These are the characteristics of any student. Okay. Now,
ম্যাম এই যে এই ম্যাম এই যে অ্যাট্রিবিউটস গুলো আপনি আঁকলেন, তো ওগুলো কি সবসময় ইলিপস দিয়েই কি মানে আঁকা হয় নাকি না অন্য কোনো স্ট্রাকচারও?
Yes. Just like when we are talking about measurement system, if we talk about measuring 1 kg, then 1 kg is how many grams? That is defined as per the standards, and it remains same throughout the world, whether you move to Australia, to any Asian country, to any African country, any continent you go, the value of 1 kg in grams, or the how much amount 1 kg looks, that remains same, isn't it? Similarly, in case of ER diagram also, some symbols are given that are considered as standard. So as per those standard, you draw the ER diagram. In ER diagram, the basic things are entity, the relation, the attributes, and these are called the links through which the entity is related with attribute. Now we will look into wait, let me. Submitted piece. Okay. Now again we will draw sorry, just let me draw, then I will explain. When you came, what you did, you enrolled yourself in this college, you selected this college for admission. So you are a student who is having certain attributes. As soon as you submitted fees to accounts department, that means there is a relationship between a student and between accounts department. So whenever you need to draw, you are asked to draw a ER diagram, you must draw the entities and the relationship among those entities. That is the basic block of ER diagram. Like student and account departments, both are the entities, and there is a relationship that exists between student and account department. What is the relationship? Relationship is submitted fees. This is considered the relationship. Okay, and student is having certain attribute. Similarly, accounts department will also have certain attributes. So in simple, this is considered ER diagram. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am, clear.
okay? Now there are several things which you need to sorry, which you need to understand in ER diagram. This is a simple representation of the basic blocks in ER diagram. In ER diagram, you will see the weak entities and strong entities. Then here only two entities. I have shown only two entities, but whenever you are talking about any system, there will be more than two entities, many more entities. Like if you talk about the ER diagram of Narula Institute of Technology, then there will be student, there will be accounts department, there will be another entity, library, one more entity which is teacher. So teacher and student is also having a relationship. If we draw the an entity teacher, then we can say that teacher takes class student. So student takes class is entity. Takes class is the relationship. Remember, students, that whenever you need to join any two entity, you must join them with the help of a relationship. Okay. So relationship exists between two entities. You cannot join these two rectangles directly. Rectangles must be joined with the help of relationships. And also, when you are drawing an ER diagram, a big ER diagram consisting of several entities, you should remember that relationship should not get repeated. That means relationship should remain same. If you have written submitted fees here, you cannot write submitted fees in any other relationship. You can change the name a little bit, then you can give. Okay. So what I will ask all of it, I'm stopping sharing. Wait. Let me show you an ER diagram of a real world system so that you can have an idea how ER diagram actually looks. Wait. Let me share. I don't know whether it is visible to you or not. This is the ER diagram for a pizza ordering system. Here you see in red the entities are shown. Customer is an entity, order is an entity, pizza is an entity, non-pizza is another entity. So between customer and order, there's a relationship that is places. That means customer places order. Now order here has is being written. See, has relationship is repeated. Order has pizza, order has non-pizza. That means the relationship name can be repeated. It is not the rule that if you write the same relationship name, you will not get marks. But the good practice is don't repeat the relationship names unless and until it is very much essential. Please try to give some another name. That we know that order will have two types. One is of pizza item and another will be of non-pizza item like cold drinks and all. But still try to avoid giving the same name to the same relationship. Okay. And now you can see that with customers, there are different attributes. One is customer ID, first name, last name, city, street, house number, email, phone number, etc. Similarly, in case of order, there is order ID. You can, I think all of you can view this diagram. I don't know how properly you are able to view it, but
Ma'am,
I
it is hazy.
hazy, na? It's
Yes,
not clear.
ma'am.
Okay. What you can do that after this class is over, all of you please search ER diagram and we'll go through different types of ER diagram. In my next class, that is tomorrow, I will ask random, I will take names from any of the student and they will have to share the screen and they will have to show which ER diagram they have studied. Is it okay?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Bolo, please ask.
Can we repeat the name of the attributes?
In which case, in which one? This pizza delivery system? Like for example, customer. Okay. Suppose I am asking you, you will give me the answer. I think you have visited any restaurant. Have you ever visited any
ma'am.
restaurant? Yes. Then at the restaurant, what you are a customer to the restaurant.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the characteristics of customer? Can you tell me?
Characteristics means?
Feature,
I mean,
properties. You have a name.
yes,
Name is a feature.
yes,
You have a gender, male or female.
yes,
That is a feature,
yes,
isn't it? Whenever you place order in some, say, Pizza Hut or KFC, what you get, they give you a slip, isn't it?
yes, yes,
In that slip, there is an customer ID or sometimes when you like in Pizza Hut or something like that, they give you a token number 1, 2, 3 like that. Have you seen?
yes,
So that is also characteristics. The boy who is delivering at the, he never delivers the table number 1, the order of table number 2, isn't it? Table number 1
yes,
will get whatever is ordered by you and table number 2 will get whatever is ordered by him. That means that is also a feature or characteristic, isn't
yes,
it?
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
that's it. That's it. Similarly, when you enter Narula Institute of Technology, you are a student. So how you are different from another student? Can you tell me?
My name, my roll number, and
Yes.
my code, all the things are different.
Not only different, like if I talk about the features or characteristics, you can say that your name, your roll number, your gender, everything
Yes,
is
ma'am.
your property, isn't it? So that
Yes,
means
ma'am.
you are able to describe your own features. You are an entity, student is an entity, and these are the features or characteristics, or technically we say these are the attributes. Attributes are displayed through oval shape, isn't it? So these
Yes, ma'am.
also, when you are a student, you have a relationship with me. I am your teacher. Your
Yes,
relationship
ma'am.
with your teacher, what kind of relationship? The teacher teaches you, isn't it?
Teachers.
You have a
Yes, yes.
relationship with library. Suppose you came to college today, you went to library and you issued one book. It is possible, isn't it?
Yes.
That means library is an entity, and library and student, their relation is issue or deposit books.
Issuing book. Yes.
Isn't it? The name you have to think. You can give a name, but that should be proper name. Similarly, you have a relationship with the admission cell also. You went to
Yes.
take their admission. Like when you will complete your first semester and you will join next semester, second semester, you will again have to pay fees. You cannot pay fees to me, to teacher. You cannot pay fees to library. You have to pay fees to admission cell or accounts only, isn't it? So
Yes, ma'am.
that means you are having a relationship with accounts also. The accounts is having account is a entity, and you are an entity student. How what are the attributes of account? There must be some account number, college account number, where you pay the fees.
Yes.
Suppose there is an online transaction
There's a
system.
mode of payment.
Yeah, whatever is the mode of payment, then there is some account name or something is there to which you will make the payment, to will you will make the payment. So that is these are considered the attributes of account department. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
This is the rough idea. Now let me stop share. What I have to do, I have to quickly take the attendance, as it is instructed by HOD sir that all of you must give your attendance. I will request every one of you to please unmute yourself and respond. If we get disconnected in between, then also all of you please join, because attendance is very necessary. Wait. I'm reading the names kindly. All of you please unmute and respond. Anindita Sarkar, Utshab Roy.
Present, ma'am.
Utshab Roy present. Shobhik Dash, Shayantan Banerjee, Devopriya.
Present, ma'am.
Shayantan present. Be quick. Devopriya.
Yes, ma'am.
Devopriya Korma.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Shayok Bashu.
Yes, ma'am.
Devolina Kundu. Priyanka Malakar. Shudipa Bhomik.
Yes, ma'am.
Shudipa Bhomik present. Remember that those who have not given the attendance, if they got disconnected, please connect with the same link. Tiasha. Shobhik.
Present, ma'am.
Pial. B. Deepika. Sujata Shaw. Shubhodip Sarkar. Abhay Anand.
Yes, ma'am.
Abu Faisal.
Yes, ma'am.
Avinandan Bose. Brotati Roy. Amrita Munda.
Yes, ma'am. Amrita Munda.
Amrita. Okay. Devashish Ghosh. Shashwati Sinha.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Mehboob Alam. Priyangona Roy.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Otanu Mondol. Bitan Mondol. Pritha Dash.
Present, ma'am.
Shrobana. Amit Kumar De. Rakesh Chandra De.
Yes, ma'am.
You are a regular student. Devajyoti Mondol.
What, ma'am?
You are a regular student. You are quite regular in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Devajyoti Mondol. Mohammad Nasiruddin. Usha.
Ma'am is Nuruddin. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Nuruddin, sorry. Tridib. Shohini. Rohan De Sarkar. Payal Mondol.
Ma'am, Rohan De Sarkar.
Rohan De Sarkar.
Ma'am, Payal Mondol.
Payal Mondol. Sanskar Shaw. Anant. Akash. Anant. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Anant.
Okay. Arnab. Shayok. Hriday. Shobhik.
Yes, ma'am.
Shobhik. Shuman.
Yes, ma'am.
Shuman Maitli. Okay, present. Shumana Shatra. Shumana Shatra. Ishita.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Ishita present. Shubharthi. Pankaj Jana.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Suvarthi, ma'am.
Shubharthi.
Yes, ma'am.
Pankaj Jana.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Biman Jana. Sorry, Biman Hajra. Not present. Okay, the others who are present, please tell their names so that I can write.
Ma'am,
I'm Momita Mukherjee.
Wait, spelling please.
Ma'am, Momita Mukherjee spelling?
A-M-I-T-A, right?
Momita.
Wait. M-O-M-I-T-A. Mukherjee, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And who else?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Kriti Sharma.
Deepto, please tell the spelling.
D-double-E
D-double-E,
P-T-A
P-T-A,
R-A-G-H
R-A-G-H,
Roy R-O-Y.
Roy. Next role,
Ma'am, Kriti Sharma. Kriti.
K-R-I-T-A, Kriti Sharma. Anyone else?
ম্যাম উপমন্যু সাই। ম্যাম উপমন্যু সাই।
এটা গেছিল নেটওয়ার্ক ইস্যুর জন্য।
শুভজিৎ দে।
ম্যাম
Shubhajit.
উপমন্যু সাই।
Upamanyu Shai, okay. Shubhajit De. Shubhajit De, I think I didn't call your name, right?
No, ma'am.
Upamanyu Shai.
সাই S-A-I-N.
Who was disconnected? Who was staying there? ব্রততী বলছিলে কি?
ব্রততী রয়।
আচ্ছা, ব্রততী রয়। Okay.
Ma'am, Bandita Linda.
Spelling please.
B-A-N
B-A-N
D-I-T-A
B-I-T-A
L-E-N-K-A.
L-E-N-K-A. Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, Avik Bachad.
Avik. A-V-I-K Avik.
A-V-I-K B-A-C-H-H-A-R.
C-H-H-A-R. Avik. Okay.
Ma'am, Yusuf Ali.
Spelling please.
U-S-O-P
U-S-O-P A-L-I.
A-L-I. Right.
Okay. Yusuf Ali, your name is there, but you forget to give the attendance, I think.
No, ma'am, you didn't call me.
Oh, that was my mistake, maybe. Okay. So is there anyone else? No one else. Okay. So I'm going to end the class. Students, please study. Tomorrow, all of you be prepared to present the screen and explain the ER diagram.